Hey there. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you might have seen one of my videos where I showed you how to rebuild the geyser pumps on a Diamond Pacific Genie here. I've had this machine for about 15 years. It was at least 15 years old when I got it, and I finally decided to upgrade the pump system. So let me show you what I did. So as you know, the original pump system is located under here, and it squirts water out of these tubs up onto the wheels. And I've replaced this pump gasket so many times. So what I've got now is a gravity feed water system. I simply have an old bucket here. This is a bulkhead fitting with a clear tube. This is a 1/2 inch. You can get this at a hardware store. And these are just irrigation drippers. And I chose these because they delivered the most amount of water per hour. So I just drilled holes. It took some experimentation to figure out where I wanted to put them, because I can't put them here close to the edge because of this piece here. So I ended up going for the middle. So I got one above each wheel on each side, and then I simply have the end of it kinked off here. So now, turn this on, and I open up my water supply here. The only real drawback I get here is that it tends to airlock. I could remedy this simply by putting another valve at this end here, but for now it hasn't really been too big of an issue. So now we can start to see here, each wheel is getting wet, and let's go ahead and turn this off. The great part about this system here is that I have a clean water supply dripping onto each of these wheels here. So there's no dirty water splashing up on the wheels, there's no cross-contamination of grits here. To be fair, that hasn't been a huge issue, but now without any moving parts in the system, I don't have to worry about replacing this pump gasket every year. The only real other thing that I need to do is remember to empty these trays out about every 10 minutes until I install some drain lines, which I'll do eventually by putting some bulkhead fittings in the back and draining it down into a large bucket. So for now though, I have found that if I fill up this about yay high, that it will run out of water before these start overflowing. So anyways, hope you found that helpful. This is a system that is commonly used on some other cabbing machines, and I think it's actually a pretty great system because it works independently of the machine, so you can really tailor it to your needs. You can also adjust which wheels are getting water and which ones are not. So anyways, happy cabbing.